I am empathy. I am in each and every one of you. You have me in you. I have come here to discover myself within you.
Oh my God! What is happening? Why such indifference? Do we lack feelings, emotions, interest, and concern about fellow humans? Can't we think of something more to value each other's lives? We do not want apathy, but something more. Okay, now there is some concern that you are exhibiting. But wait a minute. Is it sympathy? No man needs sympathy. Being sympathetic, you are not being helpful. We do not want sympathy, but something more. Thank God the victim was brought in time and we could save his life. Human life has the meaning only to that degree and as long as it is lived in the service of humanity. All of you have been very understanding and you all empathized with this injured person who is not at all related to you. Your act has not only changed his life, but you will see the change in each and every one of you. Empathy is about standing in someone else's shoes, feeling with his or her heart, seeing with his or her eyes. Not only it is hard to outsource and automate, but it makes the world a better place. Care for not only yours, but others' lives too. Be empathetic.
Everybody needs somebody.
Mirror the feelings of the person in need.
Put yourself in other person's shoes.
Ask if you need help. Treat others the way you would like to be treated.
Help others.
You will feel better when they feel better.
Empathy, empathy, empathy.